Go watch. Uncle Gary's getting in a...
I know. They don't want to get past those trees.
No. I love you, huh?
Be careful, guys.
Gary's going to have to grab a hold of that wall.
Yeah, you're going to grab a hold of the wall?
Get that wall so you don't go any further than that. And if not, bury yourself in that tree.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Really, yeah. Darren told me where to go down to. Well, is this your boat ramp?
Yeah.
There's no place to park.
The parking lot's gone. It's got a nice launch area though. Down at Point Royale, this is the path going down to it. Water's all the way up here. They just released more water. Before this run, they had 56,000 CFS running. Now it's supposed to come up another 4 feet. So I don't know what they're going to be running at, 65,000 CFS, 70,000 CFS. Beaver is running 80,000 CFS right now, and that's still filling up.
Big catfish or something.
Where?
Big catfish right out there. Here, we'll see it. Come see it. Yes, it does.
Drifting?
Yeah. Yep, there
Look
it
at
is.
there it is.
Look at it.
Wow.
Looks like a catfish or gar or something.
Those trees out there, is just past that tree is where the water line's usually at. There's the island way over there. It's completely engulfed. Yeah, I just talked to somebody and they were saying that Table Rock, there's 200,000 CFS coming in to Table Rock, and they're only letting out 60,000, 68. After they raise it, it'll be about 68,000. They're wanting to raise it up to 80,000, and that's really going to do some damage. I don't know what it's going to do to the river, but definitely going to have some new problems that are going to be caused from it, let alone all the damage to the houses and things downstream. You know, we helped some people move out yesterday, took all their stuff out of the lower deck, and now it's, you know, we moved a lot of it upstairs, and now water's all the way into the upstairs. Took the drift boat out today and got him out so he could get some of his valuables out of there, and we moved some stuff up, but I don't even know what, you know, if the things that we did today are going to help it at all. It's crazy. Hopefully we don't get any more rain, and I'll give you another update later. Thanks. There's the island at Point Royale again. Another picture of it. Just down below Lookout. I don't know if you can see it, but I think the tree that's in below Rebar Hole is floating down the river. See if I can get a better picture of it.
Is that a tree?
Is it falling?
Oh, is that a big tree? Is that a big stump right there?
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the
yep,
see it. It's
I can see it. Yeah, it's just floating down the.
That tree usually sits in Rebar Hole. I'm pretty sure. And now it's floating down the river.
Wow. Wow.
Below rebar hole.
Yeah, it's almost up to his back door. Oh, see, his house is already under. Oh man, his house is already underwater. Just imagine that, man. Just going in there and you'd be like, oh my god.
Yeah. This is Andy Williams' house, and water's right at the back porch, getting ready to go in. He's a long ways from the water too, normally. Here's where they had the mudslide on the dam. There's the cable up at the dam. Good thing moving. Here's the pavilion parking lot, outlet 2. Pavilion's underwater. Bathrooms are underwater. There's outlet 1. Here's the boat ramp. Got a lot of fish moving up in here. They actually come down here to fish the boat ramp right here, catch fish. Boat ramp's a lot shorter. Here comes the thunder, and looks like we're getting ready to get hammered again. Definitely don't need any more rain. But we can still come down here to the boat ramp and catch fish.
Oh, a big one.